Hello MacroHeart community, welcome back. So you all know that I have been working on some theoretical developments of the protocol that I'm building. So that's more or less what's going on these days. So that being said, today we'll be discussing about a very interesting use case of blockchains, and that is prediction markets. So before understanding prediction markets, let's try to see the setup of this game. So in this game, there are two players or two parties, and then there is a binary event. So the binary event means that such an event has a binary outcome. For example, yes or no, or X or Y. There can be more than two outcomes, but for simplicity, we'll just stick with two. Now, any user who wants to participate in this game will decide a party with which he wants to go along. So, for example, I want to go with the outcome yes. So, therefore, I will stake certain amount of money on the yes side. And suppose Alice wants to go with the side no, and she stakes certain amount of money with the no side. Now, there is a third entity, which is an unbiased oracle. Now, this oracle decides the truthful and final outcome of the event. So once the money is locked on both the sides, the oracle will give the truthful outcome of the event. If the first side wins, then the users who vouched for the first side wins the whole staked money. Similarly, if the second side wins, then the users who vouch for the second side wins the whole money in the pot. So one might think that prediction markets are very similar to betting or gambling. But indeed it is true, because each side is betting on certain outcome of the event, and based on their confidence of the bet, they'll stake the money in the pot. However, one important application that emerges as a consequence of prediction markets is wisdom of crowds. So this says that based on the amount of money that is staked on either side, we can predict that what are the odds of the event happening based on what does the crowd thinks, or the wisdom of crowd. For example, there have been many predictions that the second half of this year might fall into recession. So if we create a prediction market for this event, asking the question whether the second half of 2023 will be a recession, then we can predict the future based on the amount of money that is staked in the pot. For example, if 90% of the money belongs to the yes side, then it means that the crowd thinks by 90% confidence that indeed the second half of the year will be a recession. Similarly, if only 60% of the money goes on the yes side, then it means that the odds of recession are 6:4. So one very important engineering component for a successful prediction market is an unbiased oracle. Because what if one of the sides bribe the oracle and then splits the profit with the oracle for an unbiased decision? So one solution has been proposed by the Augur prediction market, where they implement oracle using reputation tokens. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or any questions. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to MacroHeart, where we are building the next economy. So see you guys tomorrow, and until then, bye bye.